Hi there everyone. Today I'm going to be making a chickpea gluten-free banana cake. I will start with the eggs. Add the honey. Okay, just do it hand mixer. A little bit of oil. Okay, it's good. I like the vanilla. This is powder, but you can use the liquid if you want. Now I'm gonna do the bananas. Okay, done. And the orange zest. So, one orange. And just mix. And I'm gonna start adding the chickpea flour. Okay, just sift it. I'll do more flour. Everything is better when you use your hands. Okay, I'm gonna add the other ingredients. Baking powder, a little bit of salt, a dash of salt, and cinnamon. And I'm gonna use just a little bit of the cloves. It gives a nice flavor. Oh, it smells so good now. You need flavors when you're making it, you know, when you're using chickpea flour. Okay, let's work on that. And this is a 10-inch. Make sure you line your pan with parchment paper. Ready to go in the oven, and I will show it to you once it comes out. Okay, I just took the cake out of the oven. It cooled off, and I just put some icing sugar. Looks nice. It's nice and light. I'll cut a piece and show you the inside. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.